Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. We do a lot of PowerView shades, and sometimes as a client you want to adjust your favorites position. The favorites position on the remote is right here. If you look, you see that little heart. So I'm going to show you how to set that at the window. So as we go, we have already established that this is the spot that we want this shade to be in. So what we're going to do is on the remote control, we're going to press and hold the center button. This puts it into program mode. You'll notice it is now flashing. It'll do that for about 30 seconds. We decide what channel we're working with, and that's channel 1 in this case. It'll light up. Then, this is very important, on the right side there is a little control. Now this is the current version of the PowerView with Duet. But in the future, this button is going to change a little bit, but you're going to tap it to wake it up, to say hello. So you're going to press and hold it for a couple of seconds. I just turned off I've been talking so long. Turning this back on. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold for a second and then hit heart. And I know it was really quiet, but you could hear the shade jog. And when it does that, it has now gone into the favorites position. So it's going to shut off. Press and hold, and it stops blinking. Now I'm going to put it in channel 1 again and press up, and the shade, you'll notice, is going up. And then if we decide that we want to, we can hit stop. Well, it actually stopped on its own, but we'll hit stop and now hit the heart favorites, and that shade will go to the exact spot that we said we wanted it to go to. So when you're doing your own PowerView shades, you may want to make sure that you have favorites set where you want, because we try and do it for you, but sometimes you realize as you're living in the space, well, I want it a little higher or a little lower, and it's completely adjustable. Of course, by using the hub, you have the ability to put it anywhere you want, anytime you want, automated. It's pretty cool. So thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog.